Welcome back. You are watching MyAirMyles, and I want to extend a really warm welcome to all of my new and returning subscribers. If you haven't done so yet, consider supporting the channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Today's video, by virtue of the popular vote, is Fleetwood in England. And we filmed this during the lockdown in England when everyone was staying at home. Well, okay, not us. Okay, not that guy either. Or them. Fine, okay, nobody in England was staying at home during the lockdown, but we all clapped at 8 o'clock on a Thursday. What more do you want? So whilst we were in Fleetwood, we did 2 trips there, and it actually turned out that I recorded a lot of content. So I had decided to split this into 2 videos, so you'll get one this week and one in 2 weeks' time. And this first video is sort of everything in Fleetwood that we did apart from the wrecks. And so I don't have any history for you this week. I'll put some Wikipedia links down below if you want some history of Fleetwood. But what I thought I would do in this video is kind of do like a quiz or a Where's Waldo to see if I can retain your attention throughout the drone video. So instead of having 3 historical facts, this week what I want you to answer 3 questions about the drone video in the comments down below. The first question is, how many jet skis appear in this video? The second question is, give me the timestamp at which you can see the remote control airplane appear in this video. That's not the drone, that's a different remote control airplane. And the third question is, how many Litchi orbits were used in the making of this video? Okay, if you can answer all 3 questions and you get all 3 questions correct, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. So we filmed all of this content in Fleetwood as part of 2 live streams that we did. I don't know if you joined us, but occasionally if it's a really nice night and after work I've got loads of energy, I decide with Daniela we go out and do some flying with the drone and we take you with us. It's our Come Fly With Me series and you get to join us on our live streams. Now, they come with all the fun of technical issues, and sometimes the live stream drops out because of low frame rates or bad 4G signal, and that's all part of the fun. But if you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on, you should get notified whenever we decide to do a live stream, and it can be a lot of fun. With that said, if you like my videos, guys, please do consider giving it a like, and subscribe, comment down below to answer the 3 questions, and as always, thanks for watching, and have a great day. I give you Fleetwood Part 1.